In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily delete your Wise account or close your Wise account in 2025. If you're considering parting ways with Wise, whether it's due to inactivity or simply wanting a fresh start, we've got you covered. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth experience. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Wise homepage. This is your central hub for all things Wise. So naturally, it's where you'll begin the account closure process. Should you encounter any issues accessing the site, ensure your internet connection is stable or try clearing your browser cache. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see the profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon usually represents your account settings and personal options. Navigating through these settings is essential because it's where you'll find the controls to manage your account, including closure. After clicking the profile icon, locate and select the Close Account option. This is the decisive step that guides you into the closure process. Make sure you're absolutely certain you no longer need your Wise account before proceeding, as this step is somewhat irreversible. However, rest assured, Wise will offer you further confirmation opportunities. Next, you'll see an option to Start Account Closure. Click this link to initiate the official closure process. Wise may present you with reasons as to why pausing might be beneficial, so consider these thoroughly. Following this, you'll be prompted to select a reason for closing your account. This helps Wise understand its user base better, although you can select an option that best matches your situation. Some common choices might include dissatisfaction with services, no longer needing the account, or moving to another service provider. Choose the option most relevant to your circumstance. Once you've selected your reason, it's time to hit continue. By doing so, you're essentially confirming your choice, paving the way to finalize the closure. During this stage, you might want to double check any outstanding transactions or transfers related to your Wise account. Lastly, you'll need to click on Select Account to confirm the specific account you wish to close. This is an important step, especially if you have multiple accounts with Wise. By selecting the correct account, you ensure that only your desired account is closed, leaving others unaffected. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, your Wise account will be set for closure. Remember, if you have any second thoughts, you might want to reach out to Wise support for assistance or clarification. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful to anyone looking to close their Wise account.